Hey everyone, it's Eileen and Jewel, and here's a room tour of a hotel we stayed at, Hotel Azure in South Lake Tahoe. So we booked the room that had 2 beds and the lake view. My favorite part was the balcony here. Oh, gotta get the door open. Okay, so here is the view. There was 2 chairs and a little table out here. Super pretty. Just so beautiful. The room, again, we stayed here for 2 nights. The total cost was $368. I booked it through Expedia. Here's the bathroom. Everything was good here. We really liked it. And the price was great. We stayed here in October. And thanks for watching. Bye.